make sure y'all come check out AG Born Jamaican, where we travel life together. Whether you like gardening, traveling, or just going on an experience, this is the channel for you.
Cooking 3 of these young turkeys today, buddy. And we are shipping out the Joocky Jam Jerk Sauce. This one going to South Carolina, baby. Change your life. God damn. We cooking with hickory all day today, buddy. Cooking 3 turkeys and we smoking them for 10 hours straight. And a jerk Joocky Jam. God damn. Okay, change your plans, YouTube, Facebook. We are smoking this turkey, which is heavily seasoned with my special blend. I can't show it to you unless it's patent in the bottle first. But I can show you the Joocky Jam Jerk Sauce. Right here, buddy. And I'll show you how I'm gonna jerk this turkey. But on this side, it's just the beginning. Let's get it going. Alright, YouTube, Facebook, this is what a fully seasoned jerk turkey looks like before I start with the smoking process. It's gonna be a 10-hour process with the Joocky Jam Jerk Sauce. God damn. That's what your jerk turkey's supposed to look like. Let's give it some love. God damn. Absolutely beautiful. Cook it straight on. Get some nice juices in there first. Pick up the steam and the heat, and then we go pan for the next 6.5 hours. Whew. Let's do it. Damn, call the fire department.
Yo, what's good, social media? It's your guy, Callistus, because I listen from heaven to earth to me to you and settle it all in love. Look, y'all see this sauce right here? Y'all saw how fire that soup was? Y'all food can be fire too. Make sure y'all go get y'all some of this Joocky Jam sauce by AG Born Jamaican. Ooh, it'll change your life. You got a winner with this one.
Some people, I'm a big foodie and I love to cook. And if you want real, authentic Jamaican food, go to YouTube and check out AG on Jamaican to get some real recipes.
Yo. Thank you for watching AG Born Jamaican. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is to be discovered and experienced, and we're here to do it.